Welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. I think everybody is thinking that I look very tired. What is the reason? Basically, I already tried my workout and in the diet as well, but at the same time I have to work. So what I am going to share today, I'm going to share a recipe that is not the recipe of mine. Actually, I saw this recipe in Instagram from Chef Kunal Kapoor. The recipe is grilled cabbage salad. It's a very yummy snack and easy to cook. And what I saw that you can have it only the salad, or it's a grilled one. It's not spicy. What I did, I cannot eat chili, so I reduced the chili part. I will share the recipe in the description box. Do try this recipe. You can have it with rice or dalia as well, or brown rice as well. Even you can try it only the cabbage salad, like a salad, like a snack. You can try as well. So let's go to the recipe.
First of all, need to grill the cabbages. So that is the main part, and after that I will prepare a sauce and I will toss up with the sauce. So the sauce recipe will be shared in the description box.